Enjoy exploring a waterfront lifestyle without the waterfront upkeep. Lot 22 in Sutton's Landing is perfect. Sutton's Landing amenities include boat ramp, gazebo, pier, dock and boat slips for the adventurer. Enjoy boating, fishing, canoeing, sun gazing or swimming on Sutton's Creek West / access to the Perquimans River. Lot 22 is 1.66 acres partially cleared and ready to build. The owners kept an attractive row of pines for privacy and carefully considered the perfect placement of your newly constructed home. Value of peaceful living and a warm sense of community. Love at first sight.